Hey guys, today I want to go over an HP Photosmart Plus printers, B209 and B210 series. Just paper pickup issues and paper jam issues on those printers. We have a B209a, but like I said, B210 is very closed. It just has the screen over here. But inside it's very closed. The print heads are going to be different. They're going to look the same, but they're not going to match each one, the B210 and B209. So B209 print heads, they're the same as the 6500, for example. Okay, so a few things that we want to go over with paper, if it's not being picked up. It's easy to get to the pickup roller, and I started doing that. This is the output tray that we can just remove and get easier access to the printer. Pickup roller is going to be right here. If you put your hand right there, you'll feel it. So you're just going to take a piece of paper towel, put some window cleaner on it or just warm water, and just you can either try to run a print job through here and it'll start picking up paper, and you can just have this right under the roller. And in a minute I'll just show you how I would do it also by having the printer on. But you can also do it manually when the printer is off. So while the printer is turning on, I'll just show you. I would just put this over here and then just spin the roller, or just get to it and kind of spin it and wipe it. It's a bit hard to see, of course, but not sure if you're seeing the roller in there. It'll probably pop down right now. It's over there. Anyway, the option that I was gonna show you, that I'm gonna show you how to clean, is basically right here. But you have to make sure you hold the paper towel. You can make sure it doesn't feed it in there. Just to be safe, remove the back cover when you're doing that, and just make sure it's not too wet so it doesn't take up particles. So I'm gonna put this into four pieces, 4 folds. Put some paper cleaner on there or warm water. I'm gonna just lay it right under, about right there. And then when I'm just gonna send the job through, it's gonna try to pick up the paper. Sorry, here we go. So I'll just do that. So here I am sending the job through, just a color copy, for example, or a black copy, and then the rollers will drop right here, and I'll hold this down so to make sure this is not fed into the printer. There we go. The rollers are approximately right there. You can see the rollers getting wet from the solution, and then you can see the marks right here where the paper was trying to be picked up, and that's where it cleaned it. Sometimes you'll see it darker, and do it a few times. Send it through once more. So it seems like they're spinning and everything, and that's good. Sometimes you would have a broken gear, and that's really hard to fix. So, but this is going to be usually the case. So after I've cleaned it, I'm still not, the paper's still not being fed. And the problem, I already looked in the back, and I'll show you, is with a problem here. It's also something that you should check. So you're going to remove this back cover. And on this side, you can see that something is out of place, and it's this piece right here. So we're going to make sure we remove the paper, slightly pull it out. And this is the piece that I'm talking about. You can see that it's out of place. It needs to be straight down into the slot right here. So let's try to put it back in and try to print something. Best to just pull it out and try to reinstall it straight down. So it needs to be against the wall like that, and then into these slots right here like that. And there should be a few of them. So let's see if that fixed our problem. So I've loaded the paper, but I'm not going to put the rear cover. So it's just going to feed the paper back here if it's all good now. And here we go. Now it looks like our printer is feeding paper, but we're going to say out of paper jam. To do that, after you do that and tested it, make sure you pull the paper out again and put everything back. Make sure you properly put this back. Put this here, it just snaps in there. Should be all. Sorry about that noise. We're gonna put paper in there, and we're gonna say okay. Paper fed into the printer, and it looks like we're back in business. Regarding the paper jams, also check those areas, make sure there's nothing in the way, and also check inside the printer. Make sure there's nothing on either side. Make sure you're this is the timing strip right here. Make sure that's clean. Make sure there's nothing there. Sometimes the paper could be stuck. Like a ripped piece of paper could be stuck somewhere in the printer on the left side, and it's going to prevent this mechanism from working properly. Then on this side, also check. In my case, it looks like it's all good. So check that out. There's also rollers in the back that we saw. You can clean those as well. And that's pretty much it as far as the paper jams that I was going to share with you. Just simple things that we usually can miss. I thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.